So this is the door to the guest room that we were working on the other day. That's all the sheetrock you see sitting here. The door's not in good shape. There's pits in it and it's very old. So eventually this door will be replaced. But for now, I'm going to chalk paint it and put a little guest sticker right here using my Cricut. And then I'll paint the back of the door too, so that my granddaughter, my 3-year-old granddaughter, can chalk away all she wants. She's already decorated it, as you can see. So I'm gonna clean all of that off and let that dry. Then I'm gonna start painting it. This is the paint I'm using, just normal chalkboard paint. Are the words backwards? It's Krylon. I'm not worried about this getting on my floor because we still have plywood floors. And yes, it takes several coats. I'm also not worried about getting it on the door. I can clean it off. I mean on the doorknob. But we're going to replace all the doorknobs too. My husband hates the way I paint. But I say, at least I get it done. It's important when you're chalk painting that you do go just up and down. You go all crazy and it's going to show. My husband doesn't know I'm doing this, by the way. So he's going to wake up in the morning and go, why the hell? Why? He's going to wake up in the morning and go, why is the door painted black? I just bought a bunch of Halloween stuff, so he's going to think it's some Halloween thing. When I was a kid, if you painted your room black or wore all black, you know, there were parents going, oh, he's a Satan worshiper. Now painting with gray and black is the end thing, thanks to Joanna Gaines. And what does that show? Fixer Upper, I think it's called. I don't know. But anyway, So painting black, things black, using black in your decorating is no longer considered Satan worshiping, I guess. But you guys don't want to watch me paint. So I'm gonna finish painting the first coat, and I'll be back tomorrow when I pick up from there. This is how much I've gotten done just in this amount of time. It just goes on real quick. This is the door after second coat of chalk paint. Can't really see. There's still some places that need I have black paint on my hands. There's still some places that need a third coat. So today I'll be putting a third coat on. The door does have a ding in it on the back, but like I said, eventually we're going to replace these doors anyway, so I'm not really concerned. It's for a child's room. And I did get some paint on the doorknob. But as you see, it scrapes off with my fingernail real easy, so no big deal. I'll get it off when I'm done. So I'll be back after I've put on a third coat. It's still wet, but I now have 3 coats of paint on there. I've used half the can. I did front, back, sides. Doing pretty good. Hopefully this is the last coat. The 4 wouldn't surprise me. Trying to decide if I want to do gray or if I want to do white on gray on the black door or white on white. And I think I have made a decision. Can't really see what it's doing because it's white. Took exactly 1.5 minutes for the Cricut to cut it. Okay, well, I have 3 coats on the door now, and I think that's good enough. That's about half a chalk can. And now I have my Cricut sign that says guest on it, which is backwards right now, I think. Now I'm going to put it on. Is it straight? I didn't bring a level in here. I think it's a little crooked. Let me shut the door real quick. Alright, I think I got it straight. As straight as it's gonna get. I hope. you own a Cricut, you have one of these little tools, and I use my finger. Just kind of push it down, make it stick. It's not like ripping off a Band-Aid. You can't just rip it off. S is not wanting to stay. We're going to peel it off from another angle. And there we go. And there you go. Old yucky white door. Now looks cute. And our granddaughter can chalk away on the bottom and on the back side. And let her artistic side show. And now I'm gonna do my other door, which is my office door, the same way, and except it's gonna say office. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you for watching.